Ugh, I don't get him, Mia. One moment he acts like he's really into me, and the next total radio silence.
Classic. He's giving you mixed signals. If he were genuinely interested, he wouldn't disappear for days.
I know, right? He would text me constantly before, but now he just leaves me on read. I don't want to overthink, but it's confusing.
It's not overthinking. Anyone would feel confused in your situation. If someone wants to be with you, they would make the effort. It's really that simple.
Maybe he's just busy. He said he's been swamped with work lately.
Sophie, if he really liked you, he would find even 5 minutes to text. When people care, they show it.
True. I just wish he'd be clearer. He'll say something sweet like, "You're special," and then vanish.
That's emotional whiplash. Honestly, I wouldn't tolerate that kind of inconsistency. You deserve someone stable, not someone who keeps you guessing.
Yeah, but I keep remembering how thoughtful he used to be. He would bring me coffee every morning. He would call just to say goodnight. It felt real.
And maybe it was real for a while. But people change. If it's making you anxious, that's already a sign. You wouldn't be doubting everything if it was healthy.
You're right. I guess I just need to stop making excuses for him.
Exactly. And honestly, if you stopped replying for a few days, he would probably reach out immediately. Some people only realize what they've lost once it's gone.
Maybe I should try that, though I would rather spend my time with someone who doesn't make me play guessing games.
That's the spirit. You'd be surprised how peaceful life becomes once you stop chasing people who would never do the same for you.
Amen to that. From now on, I'm focusing on someone who would choose me every single day.